Toastmaster Shweta Ajay.
Good evening, Toastmaster of the day, fellow Toastmasters, and my dear guests. I think guests have already left, but still, I would like to. I'm the general evaluator for today's meeting, and this is my maiden attempt. So please excuse me if I make any mistakes. Yeah. So, for the benefit of the new member and guest, I would like to tell that I was keeping an eye on this meeting from the start, from the sergeant at arms until the end, until the last session, that is A or nay. And I was noting down some of the points which I have seen, and then I would like to tell tell the improvement points or like whatever I have noticed for each and every role players. So to start with, yeah, the meeting started actually on time. The networking started on time, but there were members who didn't join. So because of which we had to start the sergeant at arms role a little bit late, maybe like 10 minutes late than scheduled. Yeah, one thing or what I want to point out is, yeah, before the meeting, even though we have shared the meeting link and agenda 2 days before, it is good to share it again in the WhatsApp group once again so that it's easy for the people to join. So that's first thing which we can note. And then the members who are joining late, it would be good to put that in the chat box in our WhatsApp group so that everybody knows that the reason for joining late or we can expect late. Yeah, but in all, one thing what I want to say is, even though the meeting started a bit late, we were all in track. Like we finished on time, we are on schedule for all these things. Like all the activities were scheduled on time, so that's a good point. I should appreciate that. The coming to the president role, though Toastmaster Jisha took this as an acting role, I should say she has done a very good attempt. She was very confident in taking up this role and explained well each and everything. As this is really beneficial for the new member Toastmaster Nitya to understand what the Toastmaster journey is hers. So uh, I should really thank Toastmaster Jisha for taking this role in a very good way so that everybody understood. Yeah, even though we hear it in every meeting, but it's always good to refresh these things. So that was done very well. Next coming to the Toastmaster of the day, the MC role. Yeah, as usual, she has Toastmaster Chetna has introduced all role players with her charming effort. It's very well done, and the introduction of role players were also done very well. And in today's session, it is so interesting with lots of games, scramble, Pictionary. So it's really entertaining. It's what we need because we all have a busy week uh, going home, office, school, college, whatever it is, but then the 2 hours of our time is really valuable. So this, even though this meeting was all planned in the last minute, it went off very well. Everybody enjoyed. I really hope that everybody would have that opinion, that they all enjoyed it very well. So that's a good attempt. Then all the speakers, yeah, was introduced very well before. But then what I found, one thing is, Toastmaster Nitya was doing her first attempt, maiden attempt, as an icebreaker. So the timer rule was not told before. So that we can note down next time when even if for any speakers, like let the timer read out the rule, or let the evaluator make it a point that the timer rule is told well in advance. So yeah, here yeah, for Toastmaster Nitya, since she knew the rule, it was good. She could deliver her speech in that correct timing. And also I should say, Nitya, you have a very good humorous capability. Like you can deliver very good humorous speech. This is what I felt. So try for humorous speeches next time. You can really excel in that. Then coming to the next speaker, Toastmaster Jisha. Toastmaster Jisha has really done a very good attempt in her understanding the leadership style. She explained each and every leadership styles with a real life example. This is actually a learning lesson for others as well. Whoever is next time doing the understanding the leadership style project, they get a clear understanding on what are the leadership styles and how it can be done. So that's a very good attempt. I should appreciate it. Yeah, next is coming to the timer. Yeah, I think timer, a little bit startup for the timer role, there was a little bit glitch. So next time we can, the timers can be prepared with the timer card. Whoever is doing that role can be prepared with timer card. Introduce each and every card, like when it is shown green, when it is shown yellow, when it is shown red. Yeah, this will be really helpful for the new members and even the guest, so they know. Since we all are already in this meeting, we know, but this is really important for the new members and guests, so that can be done. Then the Pictionary role was also taken up very well by Toastmaster Narmeen. Only suggestion what I have is we couldn't see the what you were drawing, so it would have been good if you have used a white like board with a color marker or black, whatever it is. This brown board wasn't clear for us. So otherwise, it was very well done, entertaining session. Then the table topic, coming to the table topic session, I should say it's a very nice session because it was something different with props. It's really nice, very entertaining. A big wow to Toastmaster Shweta for doing this. Then coming to the evaluation sessions, yeah, we had a very good evaluation session. Toastmaster Susan and Toastmaster Shweta had done a very deep evaluation showing the positive and the improvement points. So that was also done in a very very well mannered evaluation. So kudos to that as well. Then coming to the yay and nay, yeah, that's something which is very interesting. Like been, I didn't have a clue before what it is, but this is something related to a debate which people could relate, and it's a new thing which is introduced. It was really fun. All in all, the whole session was really fun. It was well prepared, even though the agenda had changes in the last minute. It was well scheduled by you all. So a big thanks to the Toastmaster of the Day and to Toastmaster Shweta for organizing this well. And I should also say, without our president being here, we all have, everybody had done all these sessions in a very well mannered way. So thank you so much. And here I am going to stop my GE report and over to the Toastmaster of the Day.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Shweta. Even though it was your first attempt, thank you so much for a comprehensive report. And yes, to all the suggestions, we all make a note that are very well pointed out things that we need to take care of. Now, from my side, I would hand over the stage to our acting president today, Toastmaster Jisha. I hand it over to you, and I would take a leave from all of you from my role for this evening.
If there is any background disturbance, apologies for that, because somersault is happening behind. Okay. Well, first and foremost, thank you all the role players, and we really got gelled into whatever roles we have been. So the number is quite less, but maybe 1 or 2 minutes or few minutes we really got late because everyone had to join, as our general evaluator said. But once we joined into it, the kind of energy level we could actually hold up, that was the best thing we could cherish. Right? I think this meeting will be for sure memorable for us. And with that, before I declare the meeting close, I hand over this to Sweta for the announcement. It's actually, we can share the roles a little bit, because award announcement she can do.
Yes. The best speaker goes to Toastmaster Jisha. Best table topic speakers, there are 2. Toastmaster Chetna and Toastmaster Susan. They are with a tie. Nice. Best evaluator, it's me. Yeah, I humbly take all the credit.
Wonderful. Actually, it was a nice experience today with a lot of new learning.